Mitram and Bandhu, welcome to South Asia Maps, the education channel, your intellectual Chatriya's channel, part 41. We are continuing our fascinating journey on RayalaSeema region of Andhra Pradesh, Deccan. This particular part is a smaller geography or physiography called mini geography or microgeography where Dr. J.T. Reddy, your presenter, will explore you and navigate you to the fascinating aspects of smaller regions of this historical cultural region of Deccan, that is Rayalaseema. We are talking about Bavanasi River, that is in the Kurnool district in the Rayalaseema region. This is the Bavanasi River, that is southern tributary of river Krishna or Krishnaveni that joins Gangasagar, Bay of Bengal. This is the eastern tributary, right-hand tributary. That means as the river goes, the right side comes from here, the Bavanasi. Generally, a lot of people, even Rayalaseema, are not aware. That's why I have brought this one. Generally, originally, I thought this region is a Kundu Valley, but later researching, I realized this is not Kundu Valley or Nandyal Valley. It is actually a small basin by itself that is deflected on the north towards Nalamala, but it merges imperceptibly into Kundu Valley. What are we are talking about? This is the Rayalaseema upland region. Your point is this is the Srisailam Dam is your landmark here. Kurnool town on Tungabhadra Handri River, Betamchella railway station, that is the heart of Yeramala mountain ranges. Of course, these are the Nalamalas. This is the Velikonda. This is the Gundlakamma River and so on. Nandyal town, Kurnool town, and this is the Atmakuru town. And Mitram and Bandhum, if you are new to our presentations at South Asia Maps J. REddy, that I have posted more than 400 meticulously made presentations on varied diverse topics: history, geography, culture, population, demography, human ecology, and you can go and explore for your convenience. I organize them into 35 playlists. You can pick and choose your interest. That is YouTube channel South Asia Maps J. REddy. What are we talking today? We are talking about, this is the bird's eye view of where are we. This is the historic British India at the time of partition, that is the Radcliffe Award time. This is the Madras Presidency. This is the Rayalaseema. The landmark is Chennapatnam, Madras. This is the Pulicat Lake. These five districts are historically Rayalaseema, surrounding villages of certain areas: Ballari, Kurnool, Anantapuram, Kadapa, Chittur, certain parts of Arcot region, North Arcot, Baramahal region, now it's called Salem district, and Chengalpattu region, and so on. Nellore Payangat region here, and this is the princely state of Banganpalli and princely state of Sandur. We are looking a part here because this is the Krishna river. Tungabhadra river separated the ceded district from Nizam's territories, Asafia and Usmania territories. So this is the Krishna river. So it's a tributary. So somewhere close here, this is the Nalamala mountains. That is the almost border between Kadapa, Nellore, now Kadapa and Prakashan district. That part we are talking about today. And this is the overall the series, Rayalaseema series I started, land of Sangamas, Salvas, Tulvas, Aravidus, Vijayanagara emperors, Rajarshi Krishna Deva Raya's land, who ruled this area. That's why it's called Rayalaseema. Royals host the prominent pilgrimage sites of Tirupati, Tirumala, Srisailam, Ahobilam, Yaganti, and Maduleti, and so on. So today this is the particular part, Bavanasi River, part 41. The previous world series, you can look at the RayalaSeema series. I already posted them for your intellectual enjoyment, so zone or pleasure. Before that, I will give you again the broader perspective. This is the physiographic map of Simandra, Simandra Pradesh, Seema region, Andhra region, Simandra Pradesh. Of course, this is the delta, Godavari Mata Delta, Krishna Delta, and this is the Payangat region, Velikonda ranges, Nallamala ranges, Sagileru Basin, Cheyeru Basin, that is the Rajampeta Basin, Badvel Basin. This is, you can see, beautiful lowland area, that is Nandyal Valley here, Kadapa Basin here, Eramala mountain ranges here. You can see that, excuse me for my allergies, and that is the Krishna river is dam, that is the dam, that is the Sri Shailam reservoir. So Kurnool will be somewhere here. What we are talking today is not clearly visible, but it is somewhere here. That is the Bavanasi river. And I will show you other map that is much more intuitive. And again, this is not that clear, but I will show you other maps. So I'm trying to show you different perspectives and trying to convince the audience the beauty of Bharat Mata, Prithvi Vasudha. This is the Bavanasi river. This is the, of course, landmarks. So this is, you can see, that is the Tungabhadra Dam, Tungabhadra River, the Sandur Hills, and excuse me, somewhere here there will be Kurnool, because this is the Handri River, this is the Krishna River, Gadwal Basin, Raichur Basin, Nalamalas, you can see the Kundu River. North of Kundu, that is Bavanasi. You can see resolution may not be higher, but again, this is the dam, that is the river. Comes from the Rolla Padu, that area. You can see that river. This is the Kundu river. So Kundu, this is the Nandyal valley, but it's the Kundu river valley. This is the Bavanasi basin, a small basin you can see. So that gives you the overall broader perspective. You can see that perspective also here. This is even better. I liked it. They have mentioned clearly here. You can see Nandyal Valley, Kadapa Basin, Nalamalas, Bavanasi river. You can see joins the Krishna river just east of, because Kurnool will be here, NandiKotkur will be here, and Bavanasi is the north of NandiKotkur. It flows along the village called Atmakuru village. We will see that. It originates, gathers, catchment area is essentially, comes from the Nalamala mountains. So the river basin is adjoining areas of Nandyal Valley, Yeramala Hills, a small part of Handi, we won't say Handi Tungabhadra here, Krishna Valley, and Sri Salem Plateau. Those are the adjoining areas of the Bavanasi River. We'll see the river again. So Bavanasi River, less known tributary. This is the right hand tributary. I think there is a typo here. It takes a lot of time to collect and upload all those things. Just to make that known, this is the right hand tributary of sacred Krishna river. It is in the Kurnool district. The towns and villages in the basin are Atmakuru village, Rollapenta, Kottapalli, and so on. River basin is surrounded by the Sri Salem plateau on that side, and Nalamala Nandyala basin in the south, or Kundu river basin south. We are talking about Krishna river, Tungabhadra river, Bavanasi river, RayalaSeema area, that is seeded districts of Deccan, Bharat, India, particularly RayalaSeema microgeography part 41. So I will go, this is the Kurnool you can see here, Tungabhadra, Kurnool, and this is the Krishna river. Giants after damming, this is a very big reservoir. NandiKotkur town, just overlooking the Eramala mountain range. Kundu Valley further south here. You see the Atmakuru town. Bavanasi river goes close to Atmakuru town. Previously, it was used to travel much, but after the damming of the Krishna, the journey got cut short. So this is the Nalamala Mountains. This is the same but a different perspective I'm trying to give to the audience. Nandyal town, Kundu Valley here. This is Velugodu reservoir. This is the Alaganuru reservoir. This is the Sri Srisalam Dam, the Kurnool town, and here Eramala mountain range. NandiKotkur is somewhere here. Eramalas. This is the Bavanasi river. You can see here. Dornala, the railway, the bus route goes here. This the railway track goes, cuts the Nalamala in Nandyala region. So let's go and look at the fascinating. So this here again Sri Srisalam Dam there. This is, yeah, there are so many water diversions, KC Canal. Sometimes you may not see, but broadly you can see that it comes from Rollapenta. You can see the Rollapenta there. It goes via Pinnapuram and via Atmakuru is the bigger village in that area. And you can see the famous the sanctuary in Eramalas, Rollapadu is also nearby. And Rollapadu, excuse me, sorry for the interruption. And we can see here, I have shown this here, the Bavanasi river here, different perspective, Bavanasi river, Bavanasi river. Yeah, you can see via Atmakur. Now, because the lot of water diversion programs, you may not see the river clearly because that is called human takeover. Humans took over land, converted into agriculture. That is one type of takeover. Now they are taking over the water bodies and constructing the irrigation dam, increasing their population. That is not good, but that's why a lot of the beautiful rivers now today almost dying and decaying. That is a habitat destruction. The Velugodu Reservoir here, Sri Salem Dam, we'll see the different perspective. So I wanted to show that because other perspective, this river is not that clearly visible. But let's see, this is the Bavanasi River and near Atmakur, you can see Atmakur, Srisailam Dam, Velugodu Dam, Alaganoru Dam, Nalamalas there. Let's see whether we can see here. In this also you cannot clearly see, but you can see a small portion there. I can see the Velugodu Reservoir. You can see a sort of a gash where the river flows and goes and joins there. But Atmakur, again the river is here. Maybe this is the better part we can see in the falling rain. You can see Kurnool town here. This is the Sri Shaila Dam reservoir and Velugodu, Alaganuru, Kambam Cheruvu here, Ardavidu Basin. This is the Gunlakama Basin here. You can see the river. The river, Bavanasi river comes and joins Krishna River, Krishnaveni River. Krishna River is a very big river that comes from the Sahyadri Mountains near Pratapgarh. That is Mahabaleshwaram, round about 14 meters. Pratapgarh is a very famous where historic battle between Shivaji and Afzal Khan was fought in that area that catapulted Marathas is the major power in Bharat, displacing the Mughals. Today's Radcliffe line stopped at Pathankot due to this fascinating river bank near Mahabaleshwar Pratapgarh battle, 1659 AD. So that is the fascinating story. The river Krishna finally joins in Gangasagar. So we discussed about the Bavanasi River, a small tributary, right-handed tributary of river Krishna. Bavanasi Basin is a small basin adjoining the Nallamalas and Srisailam Plateau north of Nandyal Valley or Kundu River Valley, the fascinating region centered around Atmakur village we look today. Mitram and Bandhuvam, if you like these presentations, subscribe the channel and bring it to the notice of your friends and do comment. And I will see you in next presentation. Dr. J. Reddy at South Asia Maps.